So, alright, guys, here I am back with another stream. So, welcome back to this stream. So, last time it got disconnected. I'm not sure like why, what was the reason, but I was sad like to see it got disconnected. So, yeah, I will wait for the messages. Let's see who joins, and I will read out the comments one by one. When people joins, you can join with the live chat, like you can send me any message, I will read it out. And also if you have any cryptos and if you want me to analyze that, I will do that for you. Yeah, so I was saying that Bitcoin there's like a lot of rumors Bitcoin going to 10 grand. So last video I have uploaded, I see a lot of reactions from different people. So I personally don't want Bitcoin to go towards 10 grand, so then I'll be bankrupt as well, like every investors over here. Jeez. So of course I still don't see any messages, but yeah, I will then start doing matic analysis. So once if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat, live chat, and I will try my best to analyze that one. But at the moment, let's see what is happening with Bitcoin. This 1 minute charts are really interesting because it gives you some kind of goosebump, you know, what's happening around, and you feel kind of in it. You stress out and you see a lot of stuff's happening. And let's see what is happening over here with Bitcoin. So guys, is it clear, like my voice? Are you listening to me? Is it clear, the voice? Should I have to turn off the music or anything? Hey Raj, man, welcome back. How are you feeling? Yeah, I'm feeling good. What about you? Okay, Omar, welcome back. It's all good. Raz, yes. Okay, that's good. Camo coming in loud and clear. Thank you. BT, all good. Thanks, BT. Rami, do you think it will keep dropping? Well, I don't think it will keep dropping, but in the market there are a lot of rumors. I want to show you one thing which is really important. If you look at this guy, Louis Naveler, this guy was, you know, sending FUDs to all the Bitcoin investors. He was saying that Bitcoin will drop to 10 grand. So, and because of him, you can see like a lot of news, like Business Insiders, and you can find it like a lot of news. You can over here, if you look at this, crypto market loses 500 billion after he said like Bitcoin will crash. So he went to investors and said that, well, feds are up with Bitcoin, so you should get out of it because it's going to 10 grand. So a lot of investors, they had a huge amount of money. Actually, the institutional investors, they find Bitcoin easy money, so they actually took everything who because they had some kind of connections, or I don't know what's going on inside. Also high leverage traders, I would say, like greedy traders, also a reason Bitcoin falling. But here, if you look at Yahoo, wait a second, I'll show you. So if you look at Yahoo Finance, this article over here, I was going through it. It was saying expect Bitcoin to 10 grand if this happens. And the first thing comes is Louis the guy I showed you over here. But I think these are hoax, because every time this guy is saying it's going to 10 grand, it's actually dropping, but after that it goes up. So if you see today, it's dropped because this guy is also a reason. I'm not saying he's the only reason, he's also a reason. But if you look at back in September, you will find similar kind of articles that he showed that all right, it's going to 10 grand. October, back in October as well. And yeah, back in October, let's see how was Bitcoin doing at that moment. So wow, wow. Yeah, so you see, the in September we were in peak. He mentioned something about Bitcoin, and October we got into this position. We you see this graph, right? In September we reached the peak for September of 53,000, and there was rumors, and this guy Navio, he also said it's going to 10 grand, and after that huge crash towards downward direction. And all of a sudden, after, you know what happened in November, I don't have to tell you. So see, we got the peak, we got the highest price for Bitcoin, 67,000. So this was the peak. Also we got rejected on 68. So he is showing same kind of FUDs. So this, even though I think this is something fake out because of some feds and stuff, but if you compare this trend line, if you calculate it as a trend line, you can see that we can easily hit 77 grand. So 77k is possible with Bitcoin upcoming time. So if it goes below 40k, then of course it's going to 10 grand. So we have our support on over here, and one more over here. So last time we got ourselves back from 42, and if we fell down, we'll go towards 40,000. So let's get into the comments. So Raz, yep, feeling good, that's good, good to know, happy for you. Omar, he wants that dip so he can invest, lol. So Omar, who wants that dip? Oh, Haha Kitty is back from yesterday. Welcome back, man. BT, just join your stream after seeing CRO at 54. The support level are getting lower and lower, it seems. Yeah, of course. Because you can see that BTC is going down, because today is Sunday. Maybe tonight it goes down. I don't know, man. I have to look at BTC for 4 hours or even 1 hour chart. So after that I can see, like, if it goes to BTC, if BTC goes to 40k, then obviously Crowcoin is going down. That is why you always should have some money sideways when it drops the peak, and you know this is the peak, so you buy at that level. Because I show you the Bitcoin rainbow over here, so you will see what is happening with Bitcoin rainbow. So Bitcoin rainbow, wow. Yeah, so over here Bitcoin rainbow, oh gosh. So yeah, see, we are in hodl level. So when it comes to, you know, red zone, it's like sell level, you sell it over here. So last time we were like FOMOing, so you can see we went to orange line, FOMO. That means you can sell it as well in there. But right now we are in hodl period, but we didn't reach the peak yet. So I think we have to go a long way. If you look at 2017, it looks the similar. I cannot draw something, but if you look at here, 2017 we had this first higher highs, and then second one, and then the peak. So here we have first one, second one, there was a FUD, and maybe we will have a peak this time. The peak here is showing 189 grand. So 189k is 189k. Can you believe people will be billionaires, not millionaires? Even if it hits 138, That's insane. I do not even think about that. But what I think is 77k. That is what I can expect now. But 100k BTC, if anybody doesn't believe, then I have to tell you guys that it will happen. Bitcoin will act as world's reserve currency. Not Bitcoin, but any cryptocurrencies. One day it will be world's reserve currency, because you can print a lot of dollars, right? But you cannot print Bitcoins or even cryptocurrencies except meme coins. So let's go with the comments. So Taha Kitty, no. Crowcoin, yeah, Crowcoin rocks. Res, top 70k, let's go. Yeah, 77k. I think it should be very easy. Raj, Como, have a buy for CRO at 52. Half hope is goes. Half hope is it doesn't. Yeah, well, the thing is, it will go. Everything will go up. It's just market panic, market FUD, everything, whatever it is. Because in the market you see like a lot of FUD, a lot of fake news. I don't really read unless somebody sends me, because once you read it, it's like it's blowing your mind. It's full of negativity, because the Feds wants the cryptos to go down because people are putting like a lot of money on it. It will make a lot of countries bankrupt. You don't know even if Bitcoin reaches, not even Bitcoin, cryptocurrency market cap reaches $3 trillion, it will have more than the annual budget of Italy. Even you can buy a country with that, so it can like bankrupt any country. So Feds are worried, everyone is worried about cryptos, because the people will gain the power then. So that's also a thing. But that's, having said that, these are all my opinions. So Steve Doggo is back. Welcome, man. Hello. Can I buy Crow now? JP. So JP, man, I have told that you can buy if you think it's a dip. I see as a dip, and it might go towards 40k Bitcoin. So you can buy then. You should always have some money on the side so you can invest, because if you look at fear and greed, let's look at fear and greed index. So fear and greed, oh my god, look at this 18. It has been a long time. Last time I saw this, like extreme fear of 18. Wow, it's good. So it's like high time to get the dips, huh? Tonight, if we hit 40 grand maybe tonight, then that's it. Otherwise, if stock market starts rolling tomorrow, if everything is green, then I think like the dip you're seeing, this was it. You don't even get this position back. So if tomorrow stocks are going back on track, you got this was the last. So yeah, Crow crashing again. Well, let's see what is happening with Crowcoin. Everybody is saying it's crashing. Let's see. Crowcoin, where are you? Crowcoin, okay. So Crow doesn't seem to be crashing on weekly, but let's go hourly chart. Hourly range says we are not crashing, so it's good. Whoa, man, look at this. So the previous close was around, when 53 cents was previous close. So we got it from 53. So 53, we have a strong resistance, you can see. So we are getting back on track from this position. Maybe it was giving you another chance if somebody was regretting. I'm joking, by the way. Let's see what happens from here. Okay, Crowcoin will drop if BTC drops to 40k. So that's straight to the point. I don't think BTC goes below that. If it goes, then just go with as much as you can, you know, like this type of opportunities doesn't come often. So yeah. So Haha Kitty, hey man, Also, James, BTC is recovering. Crow will recover. Yeah, I agree with James. BTC will slowly recover. You will see it will rally. It might rally within this zone, and then slowly it will bounce back. Or other, because in the market there are plenty of rumors that inflation will hit us, a new variant and stuff. So everybody is panicking. So Raj says agrees. Okay, yeah, I agree with you. BTC going to retest on 46 to 42k range. Once it goes up, we'll climb 200 between February and well. Okay, I have to answer Gaul. Yeah. So BTC, let me go to this graph. Even in here, like blockchain center, I don't see BTC going 200. Yeah, if it if it goes 200, it will be so crazy. But I don't think like in this bull run it's possible. But if it is, you guys will be the millionaires first. So of course it's possible. 200k, that needs a lot of things, but for now let's hope we get to 77k. Let's hope for the small piece. So if you get a big cake, for whole cake for yourself, then you'll feel like really lucky. So let's be a dream small, and then slowly we go step by step. So if we right now eye for 200k, that's too much, I guess. So, and also 46k test. So let's go with 46k test. Look at here, guys. Once BTC jumped from this position, what was it, 53, a lot of people were saying, okay, we got it like 53 rocks, so we're going to bounce back. But no, everybody was saying everything emotionally. Why? Because you, me, everyone invested in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, altcoins. So when we see lower low, we got emotional, but we thought like, okay, this will bounce back every day. There was hope, but everybody escaped that we had these lower lows, which indicated that we'll have a dip. So we got this kind of, push toward downward direction. A lot of greedy, bulls, they saw this opportunity to dump, and they dumped everything, because these are easy money for them. Dump money and they take it and put it into some smart money, maybe construction or something, housing. They get more monies. But because inflation, there are rumors that inflation will come to hit the countries. I will show you something. And if that happens, then housing prices will go down, there will be massacre. So you need, end of the day, you need blockchains, Bitcoin. So let's go to the comments, and then I'll go back to the chart. So Robert, will the market rebound tomorrow? Well, it depends on US and also Europe market, how it reacts tomorrow on the opening day, because also it's the opening of the month. Also it's opening day, and if you look at the whole graph psychologically, you will see that we have Christmas coming, we have New Year's coming. Everybody wants money on Christmas. Everyone wants to be happy. Nobody wants chaos in this time, right? So if you accumulate these things together, I believe we will see green days ahead, because nobody will be that greedy to ruin like millions of people's Christmas, because these days you have shortage in jobs. People don't get employees that much. So it's just because of we came out of pandemics, and if this inflation hits, then you will see that the companies will die, countries will go bankrupt. So these are my theories, guys. So these are my opinions, nothing serious. So I think because of that, you might see green days ahead. But I don't know how bulls react, in stock market. If there are fears, I don't know. Like US is buying back the bonds, Feds are buying the bonds, people are making new bonds, and they are printing money. So there are like chaos. So only hope I see is like blockchain. So yeah, James saying dot seems like goodbye now. Yeah, of course. Polka dot. It's my favorite, like one of my favorite. I have plenty in my wallet. So yeah, of course. Will you upload this video after you're done streaming? Good morning, anyways. Yeah, good morning, Sochetha. And yeah, of course, it will be available on the video section. I hope so. And Raj, done have the crystal ball. Okay, Gal, longer market cycle. Okay, Robert, I think it's gonna take a while for crypto to get back into us. Yeah, of course. I also think it will take some time. Otherwise, we're going straight down again. And James, market is going sideways now, but I think now it's good opportunity to enter. There's extreme fear. Yeah, I agree with James, because last time I don't know when I saw like 18 over here, so now I'm seeing 18. It's like extreme fear. This is the time when like we accumulate on this one, because it's the time for hodl. So yeah, of course, why not? And getting back into the comments, haha Kitty, is there still a good possibility for Crow to go up little more before the end of the year? Yes, I see there are plenty of opportunities for Crow to go up before the end of the year, because on 25th, on Christmas Day, you have a match in Arena, in crypto.com Arena, and I think from there will be a big marketing event going on for crypto.com coin. So for that reason, I think a lot of investors will come to crypto.com. They will try to stake money. So of course, I think it's going up, unless Feds pull up some taxes on Bitcoin. So in general, I think yes, it's going up before Christmas. So Gaul, we will retest recent bottom between now and couple of days. Yeah, that's necessary, because look at this, guys. I agree with Gaul, because we must retest, because this level is not sure whether it's like so strong or not. Because if you look at here, the previously what happened was we closed at this position, and after that, within few days, we tested again. We confirmed our position that okay, this is like strong support, and then we went up. So this is the first time, and we'll have this for the second time. So if day closes over here, then we might see we are coming back towards again same position before we go towards upward direction. So JP, saying your target value of CRO of the end of the year. Well, I cannot say end of the year right now. Let's see how stock market reacts tomorrow. Then I will have a say for that. James Song, what's your view on request trading tight range on 59.62? Do you think it's gonna break out soon? So James, I have to look at request, because honestly I'm not into request. So I was like when it first came out, I was, but right now I'm not into it, because if you look at this whole graph, you will see we had this our peak over here. Okay, so this is not right. Yeah, so you see here request is getting rejected, even though I think it's a BTC influence. So it got rejected on 236 level, means 62 cents. Yeah, I think if BTC rallies in this position, you will see it rally over this position from 62 towards 47. It will rally in this position, because after that it will hit up like 76 if BTC does well. So well, Raj, yeah, of course. Gaul, minimum 150k. Well, let's be hopeful. All altcoins will pump soon with BTC, of course. Yep. Robert, a lot of FUD in the press with corona variant. Yeah, forces all market down. Yeah, it's like last year when it came out first. It was they got some patients in Europe and across America. So that was the time the first lockdown and everything went down. And if you remember, whoever brought stocks that time, for example, are you guys familiar with AMC, GameStop? Let me know in the comment section if you guys are familiar with AMC and GameStop. Then I will start talking about that thing. So in that time, AMC, I had like stocks in AMC, and I saw this news that AMC got bankrupt, and then I dropped all the stocks. And after some time, after this Reddit thing happened, I started regretting myself. So that is why I don't read news these days. When there are news that BTC is going to 10k, I see opposite way that it's going to 100k. So it's always like this. So Jassy, lol, yes they will. We live in cruel world. Yeah, haha kitty, I am fed up with this. Well, don't be, because it's all like you know this thing, sell the rumor, buy the news. It's all everywhere. It's going on with this world. So Steve, what do you think of Polygon? Yeah, I'll go with Polygon next for Steve. And Jassy, yes, Jassy, pure evil. I am done, everything crashing. I hope there are more green days. There will be, man. Haha kitty. So there will be more green days, don't worry. It will be so green that you will get so high. Any thoughts on Shiba Inu? Well, JP, I'll come back to you after Polygon with Shiba Inu. So yeah, maybe you have missed the last live, but don't worry, I will talk about Shiba today as well. So Gal, this manipulate, but as long as you know their goal, you can take the ride with them, of course. Yeah, that's the thing. Not finance advice. Get out of meme coins and buy Crow. Yeah, I agree with totally. I agree with Robert. Yeah, this thing I also say the same, that if you have this kind of opportunities today that we are seeing the dip, we should utilize it with some of the best coins in the market. If you look at XRP, it was in second position in 2017, and look at XRP now, it's going to vanish. Like, it is not going to vanish, but it's on the line because the lawsuit is going on, you guys know, right? So it's on tricking line. Look at Cardano, it was about to flip something else, right? Look at Cardano right now. So this is how it works. You have to believe, you have to look at the project. Well, everybody is saying like, okay man, I don't want to look at projects, I want to look at money, just pump and dump, that's all. I go with the flow, come out with the flow. No, things don't work that way. If something goes up, you have to wait long term, and if the project crashes, your money goes away. So it's like money into the water. So you should find something really good, optimistic, a lot of use cases, and then you put your money into that. Just think a little bit smart. If you invest in Bitcoin, the rate of growing up every year is 140%. And if you look at stocks, just maybe around 15 to 20% growth every year. So it's your choice. So this guy, I cannot read the name, something in Thailand language, I guess. Why BTC is dumping? I have to have a look because market has a lot of rumors. Should I sell sand and put money on Crow? Well, I cannot answer this question. It depends on you, how much you have invested, which position you're in right now. So if you're in good position right now, for example, if BTC goes up, sand goes up. And if you believe in metaverse project, this sand will skyrocket towards moon, and Crow coin will also skyrocket towards moon. So it depends on you. Scoop up some Gala also. Yeah, James, of course. Yeah, I'm also Gala fan. I told you yesterday, maybe if you were in the chat, live chat yesterday, and I mentioned that I want to buy a Gala node very soon. So when I buy, like, I will make videos how I'm like running Gala nodes and how much money Gala nodes you can earn from it. So of course, a lot of people I know, they are using Gala notes, earning good amount of money as well. I would have to look at the Gala games as well, how those are going on. It depends on a lot of things. So let's see how things goes. So then I will buy one for sure. So yeah, what is your top three crypto, not including BTC and ETH? So I made a video this morning. My top three would be, yeah, I shared a video today this morning saying that the top three would be Crowcoin for sure, and also the second one I don't remember. If you guys remember, like one of them were like Polkadot, and the second one after Crow, I don't know what was it. Yeah, it was Mana. Yeah, then it's Mana. Then because if one of it crashes, you will make gains from other one. So if, for example, if Polkadot, I have full of Polkadot. If Crow coins is like crypto.com is one of the top exchanges in this whole world, top 10 exchanges in this whole world, and a lot of people in the future will buy sell cryptos. That is why they will buy sell crow coins as well. And you need to look at Netflix and stuff. You need your card as well. So I see in long term, Crowcoin has a big future. You know, like a big future means like bright future. So that's also possible that it can be. I showed you yesterday at the live stream that Binance coin was priced at $2, and look at now, $600. Oh my god. So yeah, of course, if one day Crow goes to $5, I know a lot of you will be regretting. So of course. So Matic, Mana, Crow, Matic, yeah, Matic is also a good project if you believe. Engine coin. So yeah, don't sell sand. Yeah, sand is gold. Yeah. So yeah, if Betaverse project hits, because it's Facebook, they changed their name, they changed everything. So if Metaverse kind of hits, these coins will go to the moon. You cannot even think of it. It's Facebook, guys. Okay, thanks guys. Aizen, welcome. JP Commando, oh no, Camacho. I bought Crow at 54. Well, nice. A lot of guys have brought Crow at 54. RGR. So I see two possibilities in this timeline. One, Crow will rise when the December 25th, yep, and draw day after. What? And nearing December 25 rocket after 25. Okay, Steve, my wallet is only made out of Mana Polygon Crow. Okay, nice. Crow in 2-3 years. JP Melfun, the graph Web3 high potential. Yes, of course, if you look at Web2, you will get the answers for Web3. Of course, it has potentials like you can buy domains, you know, like ETH domains, and also ENS. I just did the listing before in this live stream. So of course it has a lot potential. Omar, thank you, awesome insights. Yeah, of course. So let's go with something. Which was it? Like, what was it? I forgot. Polygon or something. Let me see it again. Which somebody was saying something. I forgot, guys. So just let me know which crypto you wanted me to talk about. I think it was Polygon. Yeah, so let's go with Polygon. I love to talk about Polygon. So Polygon looks really nice. Last time it broke the inverse head and shoulder, and have you guys seen that? It was skyrocketing to the moon. All of a sudden Bitcoin fell down, and I was laughing like, oh my god, look at this. This was destined to go in this way because of some rumors it went down. So this was so crazy for me. because if you look at here, we bounce back from 0.5, which is really good. Look at the day close over here, guys. So day closes, the if you look at here, what was the position is on 1.78. So the candle close was on average 1.75, and it bounced back, and it had a small pullback, retraces, and also a pullback. And if it goes towards $2.43, that's an easy target for Matic. So yeah, Matic's looking really good, guys. So I can't complain about Matic. It's good. It's looking very good. It's always good. It has never been bad, because I remember last time I saw it like $1 or something, and now I'm looking into it like it's almost doubled. Next time I will look into it, it will be in $4 something. So yeah, next target would be around 280. Yeah, 280 it's possible, of course. So yep, let's see. LRC. Yeah, Polygon, and there was Shiba Inu. Let's talk about Shiba Inu, then I'll go with LRC. Engine Coin. Did you talk about Engine Coin? Not yet, Fred. Okay, I am LRC man. So LRC, I will talk about this. Steve, I bought 186. Do you think it was high period? No, 186 was good buy for Polygon. If BTC doesn't drop again, you're in good track. You can see decent amount of profit. Steve. No, it wasn't Steve. It was who? Yeah, it was Steve. So let's see how much you could go from here. So if this was our pullback, then if we go towards 280, then you're doing like 39% profit. So if you said you got in from 84, so if you get in from 84, you're having 50% profit. That's really good. You don't make this kind of money from stock, guys. Only 15 to 20%. But in cryptos, it's you make money fast, you lose money fast. That's what the wild ride is about. Not everybody can, you know, absorb it and heal it. So yeah, goodbye if BTC doesn't crash only. So I bought on 186 for Steve. Okay, I read it. What's your thoughts on loop ring? Okay, Robert, after Polygon, I'll come back to you with LRC. And then, so you're saying the success of the metaverse will affect all coins or just some? Well, first of all, if metaverse project comes live, it will affect all the metaverse coins at the beginning. It will skyrocket towards moon, and there will be second phase where some of the coins will fall down to the ground, and some will skyrocket even to the moon. Maybe the things which you are buying for example, $2 per coin, that could be you can see after the metaverse project launch, it will be around like $20, just saying, or even 200. So it depends on how metaverse goes, when people will start using metaverse, and also the use cases. So if Mana and Send has more use cases, then of course 200 is also very less amount. So someone asked about Shiba Inu. I got out 3 hours ago, but half on Zero and half on Matic. That's a very nice move, guys. So let's go with Shiba. So what I would suggest you guys is learn the basics of graph. So how to analyze a graph, how to see the resistance and also the support levels, where you should buy the RS and everything, the basics, you know. So what I see these days is people buying over here, and they are selling over here. They think, okay, this is going to go up, this is gonna go up, and they get frustrated, and it's like going down. So these are the newbies. When you make a video or you say something about, okay, this will end up in 1.3, but they bought it, for example, on like 2.0, they get really mad at you because you said it's going down. But if you look at the graph, it's going down, right? So what happened over here, I got into Shiba very early. because of my friend. He was saying like if Dogecoin can go up, there will be hype, and there will be few more meme coins that can go up. So one of them was Shiba Inu. So we got into it. It was a while ride until we got in over here, and then we saw a lower low and it was going down. So as it was a meme coin, we get rid of it somewhere around here. I don't remember. It's just a guess point. So somewhere around here I made huge my wallet was full of like I didn't thought like I would make this much money with a meme coin. So personally I'm not a big fan of it. It was a pure gamble. Like if you get like 1,000, if you can put 1,000 euro and you can make like 10,000 from it, it's a really good investment. But these are like gambling. You can gamble in other websites as well, but this was gambling for me. But I knew that it's coming because of Dogecoin. I knew that this is gonna hit. So you have to be sure, you have to be mathematically correct. So after seeing this, it's very rare that you will have one more push towards upward direction. Even if you have, that'll be great, but I think it will be very rare that you have this move. I think slowly Shiba will disappear because people are getting more educated with crypto. People are not that much dumb right now that they're investing whatever comes in on the way. So if I show you something that's really shocking, that I feel really sad about this kind of things. So let me show you something very interesting. So if you're newbie over here, this is really important. So yeah, of course. Yeah, JP, congrats. You're holding strong on Shiba. That's good. Because this is actually what happens with meme coins, you can see right now. So lots of coins over here are meme coins which are going up. It's like Ryoshi or like micro pets. I even saw like what Elon Musk sperm meme coin. What the heck was that? So of course, like, wow. So you can see all the meme coins 200%, 140% up. You will feel like, oh man, FC Porto. You see this thing FC Porto, it's going up $5. After a few days you will see it going to $3. I'm sure, pretty sure, because Binance Launchpad projects are like the biggest pump and dump I have ever seen after this meme coins. So if you look at the left side, it's like the meme coins like skyrocketing to the moon, and then the right side is the losers skyrocketing to the ground. So you can see most of them are meme coins. So no use cases, you lose your money. The devs are taking the money out of it, so you lose everything. So only rare, like only like around, I would say 20% of the people makes money off meme coin, another 80% doesn't. They don't tell you about their losses, right? So they don't say anything about it. So on this chart you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, everything is on buy, and also crypto.com is on buy because this is also a good project. Look at Polygon flipped crypto.com coin. So, and also look at Terra, guys. We also flipped Terra before. If it was good, like if Bitcoin did well, we would have been on this position, you know, on 10th or 9th position, because I saw last time it was flipping, the crypto.com was flipping Terra last time, like I mean Luna. So yeah, let's get going to the graph. Let's go back to the graph. So yeah, Shiba, you have to invest in smart way, like the cryptos which has, you know, use cases, otherwise you lose your money. It's just a gamble. So you can do gambles in other ways as well. So yeah, well, I don't know, man. Steve, yeah, I agree with Steve that instead of holding meme coins, you can play casinos as well. Like that also helps. So yeah, Shiba is not good. Yeah, Robert, Fred. I'm going to sell my Shiba if loses to zero. What? Fred, I didn't get you. Steve plays casino. Yeah, I think so. So Shiba will die. I'm not saying Shiba will die. It might skyrocket for a second, then it gets more money. Like the institutions, they are scared as well. Institutions, they invest in bitcoins. They don't want to invest in like Shiba or something. But when they do, they make sure that they have enough money to pump it to the sky, and then they take a lot of money out of it, because for them, they have lots of money. It's easy to pump out money from the people like me. Or yeah, Shiba, I don't know, man. Gaul, I am dumb. Oh, okay, this guy, you should change your name, man. LRC. Okay, LRC comes next. Painfully, yeah. Michael, Gino, please. Harmony and Thorchain. Okay, Thorchain and Harmony. HNT for Andre. Fred, if Shiba eats a zero, I will sell as much as I can. Okay, so Fred's going to sell. Okay, that's nice. I hope it should like eat one more zero. I hope so, man. I wish all the best for you. Haley, bro, your content finally alive, enjoying it. Okay, Sondo, thanks, man. Harpal, hi there. Harpal, man, I'm not a sir, man. You can call me anything, but I'm not your sir, man. I'm just ordinary guy sitting beside my computer like you, and I don't know. You might be like you are extraordinary, but I'm like ordinary guy sitting in front of computers. I'm just a normal guy, so don't call me sir or something else. So how much price up of Scrowcoin January 2022? What is your okay? So any opinions on PiCoin? So well, I saw Pi. My friends on WhatsApp, they were sending me some kind of message that you got some Pi, and still it's not ending. Wow. So Norwegian guy. So I don't know if it's the same Pi. So have you looked at VVS? Yeah, I'm not big fan of VVS. So, Michael, sorry to say, because there has been a lot of things going on with VVS. Unless it hits like $1 billion of market cap, unless I'm happy with the white papers, I'm not. I see some stuff which bothers me with VVS white paper. It's risky for me, so I'm not in it, and I don't like. If I say some things about VVS, a lot of you will get hurt. So I don't want to talk about VVS. All right, I think the live is also cutting down right now. So guys, can you hear me clearly? I think there are like some kind of internet issues going on with me today. I don't know, but just have a look. Like, do you guys can you guys hear me clearly? Oh, okay, thanks, man, Sondo. So JP, well, I can say like it was 5 digit profit. I want to make 6 digit. I am close to six with cryptos. Because of these rumors, I couldn't make 6 digit, but I'm still on 5 digit mark. So very soon I want to make 6 digit, and I want to get myself some bitcoins as well, at least two or one minimum. Well, Scott, clear in Texas. That's good, Scotty. So right now let's go with LRC. Guy was saying something. Andre, thank you. Gal, thank you, man. Michael, thanks, man. And Ed, 868, no, 8682. Thanks, man. So let's go back to LRC. Oh no, not euro. I was always looking at euros. I have some kind of problem converting it with from dollars to euros. Loopring LRC. So I see last time it got like influenced by BTC when it was here. It was going to like maybe it was going to break the resistance level. It already did, and all of a sudden when Bitcoin crashed, it just got influenced by Bitcoin. And weirdly, this is weird, but it's also started to follow Bitcoin. Like all the altcoins are, most of the altcoins are started to follow Bitcoin. So it's the same move you see over here is the same moves. Yeah, exact same moves. So unless we go sideways from Bitcoin, it might take maybe 1 week for altcoins to get sideways, maybe 1 month maximum to get sideways from BTC. So if we get out of this fear, you'll see a lot of altcoins will move. So it's just a matter of time, just a matter of time. So you have to have a look at BTC. So yeah, if BTC goes up, this thing goes up. Also LRC is a good project. I was in LRC, and last time maybe it was around some position, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it was going down last time around 239, and I saw this breakout last time, and I told the guys that it's going to break out, and some of them made a good amount from here. So that's good, I felt good. So yep, of course it's good project, so no worries. Okay, Norwegian, loud and clear, thanks man. So I wanted to show a few more things about, yeah, let's see something else. So you have seen this fear and greed. Let me rewind. So if you don't know anything about crypto, just go to alternative or just search on Google fear and greed index. You will get a meter. If the meter is below 30, 35, then you should buy. And if it's like above 70, then you should sell. Simple as that. You don't have to see anything else, that's all. So this is the thing, but it's not accurate all the time, but everyone almost I know, they at least check this thing once a day, because right now we are on 18. That means that we are in extreme fear. Maybe something good is on way. So right now we are in hodl level. If it comes down to 40,000, it's cheap. Bitcoin will be so cheap that a lot of people will be like millionaires very easily. So yeah, having said that guys, let's go back to our BTC chart. If BTC goes to 40,000 and bounce back, I will be so happy, because a lot of people can acquire Bitcoin then. You know, if Bitcoin gets all the Bitcoins are mined, then what will happen then guys? So will we short squeeze Bitcoin? So what will happen? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section guys. So what do you think when we'll be finished with mining Bitcoin? So what will happen? Because this is the question I ask myself every day. So what do you guys think about that? So if we can bounce from 40,000, that will be awesome guys. You should get yourself one Bitcoin as well, a reserve currency for your grandchildren. Okay, haha Kitty, I hear you great in Florida. Thank you for explaining the graphs. Well, Kitty, thank you for being in this live. Thank you very much. And listening to me, Norwegian. So, Steve, oh my god, what happened to the fear? Well, it's extreme fear right now. For some, it's extreme fear, and for some, it's like a good position to buy. What do you think that is the alts follow Bitcoin? What, Norwegian, what do you think that is? That the alts follow BTC. So you meant like why alts follow BTC or something? Just I'm not sure about your question. So everything drops if Bitcoin drops. Why? Okay, yeah, I'll get back into it. So all BTC mined, I think a lot of people will sell off thinking about it will just moon. Now, as far as I see, you're right, but I think that it will be used as world reserve currency. Maybe some other blockchains. You never know. Cryptocurrencies. Well, some will buy at cheap price, some will sell in high price. That's how market works. So RGR, I think that's answers. Steve, I don't know why people are in panic. Panic is a reason why people lose money. If the market crashes, it's not time to panic sell, it's time to buy more and more and more. From Tampa, Florida. Okay, Data Zero. Well, Data, welcome to this live. JP, where I can follow you aside from YouTube. Well, JP, you can be on our Discord. There are some cool guys. I can remember some names. They are always sharing some graphs over there. You can always chit chat. You can talk about cryptos in the Discord channel. I'm also sometimes available there, so you can join there. Cool place to be in. So yeah, so I was talking about why Bitcoin follows, why altcoins follow Bitcoin. So you can see over here, if you go, that I see only Bitcoin, which was in number one position from 2003 till now. So it has lasted more than any other cryptos in the whole world. I haven't seen Ethereum at that time. In the beginning, I haven't seen Solana, I haven't seen Cardano, I have seen only XRP on the second level. In 2017, Dogecoin, I saw it in top 10. I saw a lot of cryptos which disappeared. It's not even top 10 list, guys. So I see a lot of cryptos which are not in top 10 list, and this is, and also half of the money in cryptocurrencies are in Bitcoin. So because like every altcoins have a big amount of market cap, and also there are fears. You can see like most of the cryptos are like forking either like Ethereum or Bitcoin or something else. Then this is the reason when price goes down, when there's like panic or something in Bitcoin, everything acts the same because they are connected with Bitcoin overall. So why people are not buying Bitcoin? Because of the price. If you look at this price, you will get a small portion, but with altcoins you can get a good portion of it. So overall, because of the market cap, that could be a reason. Also about Bitcoin being the boss of all the coins, that's also a reason. I mean, like, boss, I meant like, for example, I can give you the real world example. If tomorrow somebody bans Coca-Cola, then nobody will buy Sprite, right? Because both of them are like almost similar, little bit difference there are. Even Fanta, a lot of people will boycott Fanta because it's end of the day it's like the same category. So it's the same. So when Bitcoin moves, everything moves. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. It's also because of the market cap. It's also because the dominance of Bitcoin in the market. It's also because that most of the coins you see are fork of either based on Ethereum chain or like Binance and many more. So it's the root is only Bitcoin. You can see the root is Bitcoin, so that's also a reason. Circular supply is also a reason. The flow of money is also a reason. And also the exchanges, most of the exchanges, not most, all the exchanges at the first level of priority accepts Bitcoin, as well as some of the banks in developed countries. So that can be a reason. So where can I, okay, so Data, if you are scared to take profits, I'm holding and buying more. Okay, Norwegian, is that a tool you use, the index? Which index? Okay, yeah, BTC is in good price, so you should get one for yourself. So yeah, if BTC falls down, you should like to 40%. Like I'm also thinking like to get one. So yeah, any more questions are welcome. So let's look at the graph. So let's find something else. Have you guys heard of trading pairs? If you guys heard of trading pairs, then I can talk about some use cases of Bitcoin, why Bitcoin is followed. All the trading pairs are in BTC as well. This is the most important case, and also like the sentiment, you can see market sentiment as well. Like if you guys know, just let me know in the comments so I can talk about that thing as well. So let me know if you guys know about trading pairs. So I'll talk about trading pairs that will answer like the question why Bitcoin follows, well, why altcoin follows Bitcoin. uh, I see no answers. Is the live clear to you guys? Can you guys hear me? Well, it's not manipulated. It depends on trading pairs. You can see all the trading pairs it's doing with USD, BTC, USD, euros. Number one, and secondly, everything is cloned by BTC. You see the other cryptocurrencies, they are clone of Bitcoin, and also about, how can I say, also market dominance is also a thing because Bitcoin it was always on the top. So it's not a manipulation. It is manipulated sometimes by big bulls, but not always. So yeah. So Sondo, sorry I crashed. No problem, man. So JP, yes. So all working fine. Okay, thanks, man. Sondo Norwegian. Wow, I see. Thanks. That makes sense. Yeah. And also somebody was saying how long you have been in this crypto world. Well, I started doing forex before from 2012. I started like cryptos as well way before. Like I started to read about cryptos back in 2008 when it first got like a phase where then I started to learn about Bitcoin. I wanted to mine, but I couldn't because of not having proper equipments. So I was looking into it. I was curious. I never thought that it will go this far at that moment of time. So after 2013 came in, I knew about Bitcoin. I started my mining, and also 2000 and 2000 end of 2013 I sold some of my coins, cryptos, and 2017 I was bullish on XRP, but all of a sudden XRP didn't work. So yeah, you can say I'm in forex and stuff, also Bitcoins, also cryptocurrencies from 2013 on average. But professionally, not professionally, but like for my own interest, I'm always inside this. i'm like I'm like addicted in crypto right now. That's bad. Okay, let's talk about something else. What can I see? Let's see which one is getting the most hype today. Luna and Gala as well. Polygon, Decred. Are you guys on Decred, or have you guys researched about Decred? Wow, Sondo, nice, nice. Same, wanted to mine and badly and sell Ron and I like 70 degrees on ideal. Yeah, that's nice. So if all BTC is mined, then the whole thing is done? No, not at all. It will become reserved currencies because somebody will be in the top, they want to sell, and somebody will be in the bottom, they want to buy. It will, there will be like someone in, like there will be something that somebody is selling and somebody is buying. Then in that time there will be a lot of trades with Bitcoin, I guess. Like after 20 years there will be a lot of trades happening, like billions dollars of trade. I think that will be happening with Bitcoin. So we will start to trade with cryptocurrencies after 20 years. If it's happening in 10 years, I'll be super happy. If world gets one currency, like, or anyone can adopt any cryptocurrencies. So it depends on many things, but I don't think like that's gonna be end. That will be the start, that will be the beginning of Bitcoin. Okay, man, thanks for being on this live. Yeah, we can do short quiz for sure. Short squeeze is also possible for if everything is mined. So yep, if you have something, then let me know. I will try to analyze and end this live. So if you're enjoying, let me know. Let me know what you think about. Let me know what you think about BTC. Let's analyze some graph. That's better. That's better. Otherwise, we will all be bored. Oh yeah, Blocktopia. So it has been a while. Whoa, look at this. Man, I feel bad for Blocktopia. It also got influenced by BTC, heavy influence. So you see something which is doing good in the market, but all of a sudden it crashes. Yeah, I remember making a video when it was around this position. I saw it broke the downtrend and was going towards upward direction. All of a sudden, I know many people who brought here. I'm sure that a lot of people brought over here in this direction, very highs. So it came back to this position. So yep, it's influenced by BTC. If BTC goes up, this will go up as well. So very soon you might see this slowly going up. Or I don't know if BTC